Hey guys, this is my first unboxing that I've ever done. This is of my new subscription to Watch Gang Platinum. It was $299 a month. I actually paid for 3 months up front, so it gave me like $10 off, I think, each month. So it was like $289 a month. So we will see if this thing is worth it. I'm kind of new into watches, so I'm more like a knife collector. So, all right, let's do this. Let's see what it is. Maybe I got a Rolex or something. What are the chances? Again, this is just an unboxing. No review because I guess we'll do that next. Okay, maybe I open it upside down. Ooh. So, here's my platinum card for February. Cool. Let's see what it's all about. All right, here goes. I don't know which way this is supposed to go, but it's quite dusty. Goodness gracious. All right. Nice box within a box. Let's push everything to the side here. And see what this is all about. Oh, I guess it goes this way. It's pretty nifty. Let's see what the brand is. I can't even tell. Oh, Tellus. Tellus. It's pretty nice. Has a serial number. It's pretty thick. Good gracious. See if I can get it out without breaking anything. Kind of looks like it has a leather band. Quite nice. Thick. Goodness gracious, it's thick. Neat. Sorry for my silence here. We're just trying to get it undone. Oh, here you go. See, I've never done this. That's pretty neat. Oh, you can see the back here, the inside. I guess it's an automatic. It's pretty nice. Don't know what this thing's worth in real life, but here, let's put it on and see if I have a bad case of the fat wrist. Which I do. I need to loosen it, probably one. But there's a little look about what it looks like on the wrist here. So I'll kind of take a look at it and get back with you guys for a review. Thanks for watching.